back once again to do
another unboxing.
Yes. So let's get into this.
The first book I pulled out was a book called Body 2.0, and it looks like it says The Engineering Revolution in Medicine. So this looks like a nonfiction book for medicine and that kind of stuff. It's by Sarah Latta. So it's a book about biomedical engineering and that kind of stuff. So
the next book we have is called Crying Laughing. Has emojis on it. It looks like it will appeal to young readers who can't get enough of emojis nowadays. It is by Lance Rubin. It's about a girl named Winnie Friedman. So, Crying Laughing.
The next book we have is called Slay by Brittany Morris. So this looks like a book about empowering women and that kind of stuff in medical, well not medical, like school studies and that kind of thing. So it looks really good. I like the cover a lot too. It pops out with the different colors.
Yeah, this one looks good. This is Rogue Heart. It looks like I don't know, it's like she's like running through some streets. It looks like maybe a drama of sorts. It's by, I don't know, AXO. I don't know, it's hard to say, but it looks pretty interesting. Looks like a
very captivating cover.
Yeah, it's a cool cover. I like it.
Yeah.
Very action-packed.
Rogue Heart. Okay, this is called Ordinary Hazards. It's a memoir by Nikki Grimes. It's about her discovering the power of writing at age 6 when she was alone in her room. Sounds like she poured, it says, her fears, angers, and tears onto a piece of paper and felt relief. So if anyone is interested in a memoir about writing and putting your thoughts on the page, this is Ordinary Hazards by Nikki Grimes.
Might be helpful if you want to be like an inspiring author. You read that and learn her experiences.
Creative writing.
Next book we have is called War Girls by, I don't know how to pronounce that name, Tochi
Obuchi.
Onibuchi. I don't
Like
know.
that.
It looks like,
Looks futuristic.
yeah, it looks like a sci-fi,
Kind of, yeah.
like a YA
Just like the
sci-fi.
other one.
This author is also said to be the author of a book called Beasts of the Night, if you've never heard of that before.
Last book here.
Life undercover coming out of age in the CIA. It's like a CIA crime fiction.
Is it fiction or is it her telling her
I
story?
think it's her story. I think it's her
Memoir.
it's a memoir. It's
Another
her
memoir.
story.
It's about the author's story being in the CIA.
Seems cool.
Who's it by?
This is by Amarius Fox.
Life Undercover.
It's like a
Undercover.
lot of police stuff and CIA. It's pretty interesting.
Very interesting if you're interested in crime or any drama TV shows that have to do with the crime, CSI. I think it says something about her going undercover with Al Qaeda. So this is another memoir. So that's all our books for this unboxing. We hope you enjoyed. Once again, this is Mackenzie. This is our special guest, Evan, this week. I'm Austin. We'll hope to see you next time. Have a great day.